Own a golf cart? Keeping it in good condition is a challenge. Spare parts delays, battery issues, lack of trained technicians, and limited service stations slow you down. That's why we created Speedigo AMC. From every brand to every model, we've got you covered. We provide reliable on-site service with expertise across all golf cart brands, and perfectly matched parts, no matter the make. Serving across Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, Guwahati, Itanagar, Ranchi, Patna, and even Nepal. Improve performance, extend lifespan, and avoid costly repairs. With 1 year of complete care, your cart stays in the best hands, that is ours. Protect your investment, choose Speedigo AMC. Call at 9051205015 or 9051205025.